Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to dig out the old Mercedes 190E. I did put a community post up and hundreds of you said that you'd want to see it. For people that haven't seen the community post, I'll let you know what it's all about, what's going on. Basically, my pal has got a 190E parked up in my yard. It's been there for donkeys. He wasn't going to do nothing with it, and I said to him, listen, I said, drag it out, clean it up, sort the bits out, get it on the road and sell it. You know, there'll be someone out there that wants to buy this old Mercedes 190E. He had no intentions of sorting it. I think he got it part exchange, I think, of an old boy, sold him a new car and took this merc. It's no minter, it's nothing special. I think it's done, well, probably not high mileage in today's standards, but it's been used and it's an old car. I thought it'd make a great bit of content. Some of you will love it, some of you won't. I totally get that. We're in lockdown and I can only do so much. And I just thought, you know what, he's doing it. Let's go film it, give you a walk around, show you it, find out what it needs, what he's going to do, get it back on the road, get it MOT'd. He's putting it up for sale. One of you lot might even want it, I don't know. But it's cheap, you know, and it's not worth just letting it sit there and die. I hate seeing old cars like that could be used, you know what I mean? So we're going to get over there, have a little look, and we'll go from there. Tell me what you think, you guys. I don't know how many videos that we'll make on this, but I thought it might be worth a watch for some of you lot stuck indoors, knowing that you've got nothing else to do. So give me your feedback, let me know in the comments, tell me what you think. But I think it's such a shame to waste this old motor. Someone might like that. One of you guys might like it, you might want to buy it, I don't know. It's only cheap. He's probably going to smash it on eBay, or if one of you lot want it, leave us a comment. So let's get over there, show you it. I'm going to stop waffling and we'll crack on with it. There she is, guys. Needs a love. Bit filth. There's some genuine cobwebs there. Keep them. Now, rear quarter needs a bit of loving. It's really not that bad. It's a straight old thing. $167,000. What year is this? G89. Yeah, I'm guessing that's less than average. 10 or 12,000 a year, they say. Look at that. Old spares, little old text disc in there. What have we got here? Owner's manual, touring guarantee, sales, purchase, don't know what all that is. Tape player thing. Yep. Pass it out. First aid kit. Has it got the first aid kit? Is that a bitches? Oh! Look at her go! Genuine Mercedes first aid kit as well. Bonus. Oh, trying to do that one-handed. I'll leave that there for a minute. We'll put that back. Yeah, he's got the service bits. It all runs and drives. Yeah, got oil, got service bits for it. Waiting for more cobwebs there. Waiting for a manifold gasket because I think manifold's blowing. fire her up. More cobwebs there. Oh, can't do it that one-handed. 1 second. Oh. No, not having it. What am I doing wrong here? There she goes. Let's go around the other side, having that bonnet up. More cobwebs. There they are. There. Nice. Excuse the camera work. Trying to do this one-handed. God, there she goes. More cobwebs. Actually sounds quite sweet. Turn that off quickly so you can hear me. The engine actually sounds sweet on it, to be honest. Yeah, he's ordered a manifold gasket as well. Get that done. Gonna get it up in the air, have a look underneath it, see what we're dealing with. I'll cut back in a bit and give you a look underneath, and we'll go work out what it needs. Here we go, people. She's up in the air. More cobwebs, Jesus Christ. Don't know how many spiders are in this. Right, we looked at the old advisories on the MOT. Coil springs, rusty, not rusty as in shag, just surface rust. They'll all brush off and clean up. The brake pipe over here was down as advisory. You just give that a quick rub to have a look, but the pipes are solid, so we'll clean that up. That'll be fine. Everything else looks all right. I mean, to be more cobwebs. They usually rot out up here, so that's quite a good sign. So there's nothing really major up the top there on them. Everything else is looking pretty well down here. Same over this side. So it's not bad at all. That coil spring looks all right. The wheel's spinning freely. This was an advisory as well. That's all right. That coil spring's looking a bit rusty and shitty, all the old paint flaking off it, so that can be cleaned up. No major oil leaks either. Looking quite dry, to be fair. So that ain't too bad. It don't look bad at all. All the exhaust is intact. I think we got, yeah, that was it, manifold, he said to me. He's got to change the manifold blowing. So he's going to wait for that to come. I think he's going to run around it, have a look. Might end up with 4 brand new tyres on it. This one's knackered. What the other front one's like, let's have a look. Yeah, that's on the wear bar. Ain't much cop either, to be fair. This one don't look that bad. The original hubcaps. It's really not looking terrible, to be honest. Good old service up. Set of new boots. Springs and that, he probably going to leave them, clean that up, get it sort of roadworthy. All the old crusty bits, toss a bit of gear on it or something. Just sort of try and hold it back, more cobwebs. So it's looking like a bit of cleaning, a nice service. Clean up all these old, brush all them rusty bits up. Set of tyres, by the look of it. We'll go from there. See you in a bit. Hello people, the golden syrup has been released. get this drain down, let him crack on with the service. See you in a bit. Right, service is nearly complete. Oil filter's done, oil's done, plug's done, air filter's going in now. There we go, all the wheels are off. Been inspecting the brakes. The lip on the disc's fine, the pads are actually fine on the front, they're not too bad at all. Even the spring hanger, holder, whatever you call it, is a cup. They usually rot out, he was telling me, all down here, and that's actually fine. That's all looking good on the front, and the other side's the same. That's all looking good. All the discs are fine, very minimal lip on that. Well, hardly any lip on the disc, to be fair. Obviously, once it's driven and cleaned up, pads are good. Same thing over here, no rust, no nothing. I know the paint's flaking off of the spring. He's probably going to just brush that up, clean it up. Might dust a bit of a aerosol can around that, just to liven it up. The rear brakes are absolutely pitted to hell. So he's going to put some, I mean the pads are fine, but he's going to order some new disc and pads for the rear. Same thing again, replace all of that. He's not going mad, just going to get it safe, roadworthy, MOT'd. Same again, absolutely pitted, knackered them ones. So he's going to change them and sort that lot out. That's it. I'll let him crack on with the rest of it, and I'll see you in a bit. So we're going to wait till the manifold gasket's turned up, and then we can do some more progress on this one, clean it up. I think sort the other niggly bits out and then run it down for a test. And I've got something else to ask you lot. I know these are quite rare, and I haven't seen one in many years either. I've just been offered a Mark 1 Astra SR, 1.6 SR. It's been stashed away for about 11 years odd, I think. And he's asked if I want to go and have a look at it. As you know, I'm stacked out with stuff at the moment, so don't know what's what. It'll have to go on a back burner if it's going to happen, but leave us a comment, tell me what you think. Let me know if you think that's something you'd like to see. Mark 1 Astra SR, original, genuine, everything's not been touched, unmodified, been stashed away, and I've got a chance to buy it. So leave us a comment, let me know what you think. I know not all of you are going to see this video, because not all of you are interested in the Merc, but a lot of my original subscribers, they watch every video. So if you are watching this, then you're lucky to hear about it, because I'm not going to post anything else up about it. Let me know, leave me a comment, tell me if you're interested in seeing a rare as hen's teeth Mark 1 Astra 1600 SR, all genuine, all original. So yeah, let me have your feedback on that, and we're going to wrap this one up here. And as always, thanks for watching. Welcome to all the new subscribers, and I'd like to say a massive thank you for all the support with the channel, and we'll see you on the next one. If you ain't already, hit that subscribe button, plenty more coming soon. Laters.